Hi, I'm Oskar van Deventer and this is Chopped Soma. As you know, Volker Latusek has been having a lot of fun designing Soma cube puzzles where you need to put all the Soma pieces into a cube and you need to get them through a hole, and the hole is small, so that's challenging. Well, Volker has now been taking the concept to a next level with Chopped Soma, because even you think we're looking at Soma pieces, they're chopped. So what he did, he took every Soma piece and he chopped off a triangle. And if you do the math right, then you have seven Soma pieces. If you chop 7 triangles off, then you will have enough pieces for an 8th piece. So here, this is the piece that Volker added to make up for the space. So Chopped Soma actually has 8 pieces. And again, the goal is to get all the pieces out of the box, which is already hard, and then get them in. So let's see how far we can get. The first 2 pieces, getting them out was relatively easy, but let's see what else moves. I see that the purple piece moves, and we can get the purple piece out. Then we have the red piece, and we can get the red one out. And let me try and remember what was the next one. I know that we could twist. Yeah, we could twist the orange piece and we could get it out here. And then we have a blue piece. We can swivel it, so it makes a nice swivel motion. I hope you can see it. It's placed like this, but then you swivel it out and, no, it doesn't work. I need to do another swivel, and let me think. It doesn't go out here, so should I have swiveled it in the other direction? No, that doesn't work. What else can I do? I have a gray piece that I can move out of the way. So when I'm here, I can swivel to here. And can I do a rotation? No, I can't do the rotation. And I have to admit, I forgot the solution. So even though there are only 3 pieces left, and it's possible to get the 3 pieces out, it's not trivial. So the opposite direction, as you can guess, it's extremely more hard to solve, because not only with these new type of Soma pieces you need to figure out where all the pieces go, but also once it's you know where all the pieces go, you need to find a sequence how to put them into the box, and in this case even a sequence how to get them out of the box, which I'm now failing. Hey, I see another rotation. Yeah, is this? Hooray! I got it out of the box. So, and then obviously the final pieces, they shouldn't be a problem. And well, look how proud I am of myself to have taken the pieces from Volker out of the box. But yeah, now the real challenge begins, because they need to get into the box. So my question to you is actually, can you provide Volker with another challenge? Because, well, he has been chopping up his Soma pieces in this way. And what other way could Volker chop up his Soma pieces such that it makes a useful packing puzzle? Thank you for watching.